Students, now we are going to see some of the example problems related to set language. Okay, students? Yes. Example 1.1. Consider the set A is equal to set of all Aswin, Murali Vijay, Vijay Shankar, Badrinath. Okay, students? How you read this? A is equal to set of all. For this set bracket, how you read? A is equal to set of all Aswin, Murali Vijay, comma, Vijay Shankar, comma, Badrinath. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate symbol. What is the symbol name? Do you remember? Yes, belongs to or not belongs to. First question, Murali Vijay dash A. Second question, Aswin dash A. Badrinath dash A. Third question, Ganguly dash A. Tendulkar dash A. We have to apply here belongs to or not belongs to. Murali Vijay belongs to A. Murali in set A, Murali Vijay in this set, Murali Vijay name in this set A. So it is belongs to. Murali Vijay name lies in this set A. So belongs to. Next Aswin. Aswin name is here in this set. Check here. Yes, Aswin name lies in this set. So belongs to A. Next Badrinath. Badrinath name is lies in this set. Yes. Yes. So it is belongs to. Next Ganguly. Ganguly name is in the set. Check here. No. Ganguly name not denoted in the inside the set A. So it is not belongs to. Tendulkar name is here. No. So it is not belongs to. Have you understood this meaning? Belongs to and not belongs to? Yes. Student, now example 1.2. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Roster form means, it is listed the elements. We have to listed the elements. Assessment, principal. Assessment and principal. How you make it as in a roster form? Roster form, we have to listed the elements. So X is equal to, first you have to give the set name. Any name you have to use. Any name that is English alphabet, capital alphabets, capital letters. So that is X is equal to set of all A, S, S, E, S, S, M, E, N, T. Listed the elements only once. Okay, one time you have to write that letter A written. Yes, yes is there. So one time take and write E. For S already written. So you leave these two S. Next M. E already mentioned here. So no need to write here. Then N, T. So listed the elements only once. Inside the set, repeated letters are not allowed. Repeated elements are not allowed. Next you have to give the name set A, B or anything. Y is equal to set of all principal. P, R, I, N, C. I already written here now. So you leave this I. Then P also mentioned. So you leave this P. Next A, then L. So it is a roster form. Roster form means, listed the elements. Listed the elements. So how you listed the elements? So inside the set bracket, write the elements only once. Now exercise 1.1 first problem. Which of the following are sets? Collection of prime numbers up to 100. Collection of rich people in India. The collection of all rivers in India. Collection of good hockey players. Students, for this first problem, the collection of prime numbers up to 100. We have to find it is set or not a set. For prime numbers, it is possible to define. So, well defined it is a set. Next, second question, the collection of rich people in India. Rich people. Rich people has no definition or not defined. So, it is not a set. The collection of all rivers in India, it is possible to define. Well defined. So, it is a set. The collection of good hockey player. Good in the, it is related to the opinion. So, it is not a set. It is not defined. So, it is not a set. Student, second question. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. What is the meaning of roster form? Listed the elements. First question, India. Second question, parallelogram. Third question, Mississippi. Fourth question, Czechoslovakia. Student, it is like a second example problem. For India, how you write this? A, you have to give some set name. A is equal to set of all I, N, D, I again have to write here? No. D comma A. So this is the roster form. Next, parallelogram. How you write in a roster form? A is equal to set of all P comma A comma R comma A already written. So leave this L comma L is there. So one time taken, write L comma E, L already written, O comma G, R already written, then A also written, then next M. So this is the roster form. Next Mississippi. So what are the letters out? What are the elements out to write? M comma I comma S. This leave this S. Then I already written, so leave this. S already written. I also written. Next you have to take and write P. So this is the roster form. Next is Czechoslovakia. So C comma Z comma E. C will come? No. H comma O comma S comma L. O already written. Then V comma A comma K comma I. So this is the roster form. Students, third question. Consider the following sets. A is equal to set of all 0, 3, 5, 8. B equal to set of all 2, 4, 6, 10. And C is equal to set of all 12, 14, 18, 20. First question. State whether true or false. 18 belongs to C. You have to refer with the set C. Set C. 18 lies inside the set C. So it is true. 6 not belongs to A. You have to refer with the set A. 6 is here? No. So it is true. 6 is not belongs to A. The element 6 not in the set A. So it is not belongs to. Next 14 not belongs to C. You have to refer with the set. 14 lies in the set C. But here not belongs to is given. So it is false. 10 belongs to B. Set B. 10 lies in B. So it is true. Okay. Next 5 belongs to B. 5 belongs to B. You have to refer with the set B. 5 is here. 5 is here. No. So it is false. So actually what you write here? 5 not belongs to B. 0 belongs to B. No. 0 not belong to B. So it is false. Fill in the blanks. 3 belongs to 3 lies in which set? A. 14 belongs to which set? 14 set C. 18 belongs to B. Check with B. No, 18 not belongs to. 4 dash B. 4 lies in set B. So 4 belongs to B. Students, next fourth question. Represent the following sets in roster form. First question, we have to write the given question in roster form. First question, A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Even natural numbers less than 20. The conditions you have to see. Less than 20. Second question, B is equal to set of all y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n. N belongs to natural number, n less than or equal to 5. It is a descriptive form. It is set built form or rule form. This is what? It is a rule form. This also the same. Rule form. It is this also rule form. For these four problems we have to write in a roster form. Students, first question, the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Natural numbers, you know, that is natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Natural numbers. Even numbers, you know, even natural numbers means, you know, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. What condition is given? Less than 20, below 20. Less than 20, what is the meaning of less than 20? Below 20. So, you have to write in a roster form. Listed the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Have you understood, students? Yes. The second question, B is equal to set of all y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n. N belongs to natural number. N less than or equal to 5. This is the condition. For here the condition is less than 20. For this is the condition. Okay. So that is, first you have to take and write y is equal to 1 by 2n. Then n is equal to n less than or equal to 5 given. one more condition, it is like belongs to natural number. Natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So the n values, this n values you have to select from this natural number group. Okay, for n belongs to natural number, what is the meaning? This n values we have to select from natural number. So natural number, you know, normally from the definition 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So the n values, what are the n values? Apply this condition, less than or equal to 5. So that is, it is starting from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For less than or equal to, so including these elements. Just less than 5 is given. What is the meaning less than 5? Below 5. Less than or equal to means including the given, including this given value. Okay students? Yes. Now you have to apply the n values. So y equal to 1 by 2n, you know. So n values you have to apply. First n equal to 1. Then n is equal to 2. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 4. N is equal to 5. So 2 into 1, comma 1 by 2 into 1, comma 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 2 into 5. It is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So this is the value. Third question, C is equal to set of all x such that x is a perfect cube. Condition 27 less than x less than 216. Cubic number, you know, more times I said to you, you have to learn square number and cubic number. Yes, do you remember students? Yes? Okay. So now you have to recall this cubic number. 1 cube value 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343. So the condition is given as 27 less than x less than 216. This x value lies between these two numbers, more than 27, less than 216. So what are the values you have to select here? More than 27, less than 216. So what are the values? 64, 125. This is the solution. Fifth question, D is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to integer. Z means, you know, it is an integer. Minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 2. First you have to write the definition. Z equal to, so integer is a set of all negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. First you have to write this. Then the x values, the condition minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 2. More than this and less than or equal to this value. Okay, so that is more than minus 5. So that is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Less than or equal to given. So you have to take this given value also. Have you understood students? Represent the following sets in a set built up form. First question, B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. Second question, C is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. Third question, D is equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. Fourth question, E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. For this we have to write in a set built up form. Set built up form, you have to give the set name and you have to use the curly bracket and such that symbol. Okay, so that is B is equal to, the set name is given in the question itself. So B is equal to set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day international. That is the question. So that is B is equal to set of all x such that x is an. So you have to take from the question. X is an. You have to use, normally you have to use this x such that x is an. What letter you are used, the same you have to use here. X such that x is an Indian player who scored double centuries in one-day international. It is take from the question. Okay students? Yes. Second question, C is equal to set of all 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. So that is, it a given format is roster form. This one you have to write in that rule form. So that is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. So this is how you make it as a rule. For it is 1 by, it is written as 1 plus 2. It is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. So it is, normally we use this 1, 2, it is a continuous letter. It is like a RT question. Yes, do you remember, students? Yes, it is like a continuous number 1, 2, 3. So it is, you have to give the name n. For now, 1, 1 plus 1. 2 plus, for what you have? 3 plus 1. Next, 4 by 4 plus 1. 5 by 5 plus 1. So it is n by n plus 1. It is written in the general form n by n plus 1. The given one written in a general form n by n plus 1. So C is equal to, the name is given in the question itself, C is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to, general form you found, take and write n by n plus 1. This n belongs to natural number. How you identify it is belongs to natural number? It is starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. So n belongs to natural number. Next, third question given, the set of all Tamil months in a year. The set of all, it is a descriptive form, set of all Tamil months in a year. So that is D is equal to set of all x such that x is a Tamil month in a year. Fourth question, in the question given, E is equal to set of all odd whole numbers less than 9. So that is E is equal to set of all x such that x is a odd number, odd whole number. X is a odd whole number. So that is what condition is given? Less than 9. So this x belongs to W, whole number. Whole number mentioned, so you have to mention here W. Sixth question, represent the following sets in a descriptive form. P is equal to set of all January, June, July. Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. R is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n, x less than 5. Fourth question, S is equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. Sixth, first question, given question P is equal to set of all P is equal to January, June, July. You have to write in a descriptive form. Descriptive form means, just we have to write in wordings. P is the set of English months beginning with J. First letter J. So you have to make your own words also, no problem. You have to start like this. Next, Q equal to 7, 11, 13. This all the one is, what is this number? It is not a natural number. It is not a whole number. It is not a integer. It is all the one. What is this? Prime number. So Q is equal to, Q is the set of all prime number between, before prime number, what is the before prime number? 5. The next after prime number? 31. 29 after 31. So Q is the set of all prime number between 5 and 31. Have you understood this? Yes. Next, third question, R is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to natural number x less than 5. Write in, how you write in the wordings? Or you got to start like this. R is the set of all natural numbers. R is the set of all natural numbers less than 5. R is the set of all natural numbers less than 5. Next, S is equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. So, how you write this? S is the set of all English consonants. Have you understood, students?